by the way, you'll probably get that picture for you. Hi, my name is Ken Brown. Hi, my name is Ken Brown, the community organizer for Westcare, Wisconsin, Harome Community Center, and the NSP organizer for CDBG funding. I brought with me our Youth Action Council President, Mr. Devin Davis, to explain actually how the gun lock works. The only thing that we ask before we give you the gun lock is that you fill out a form. The form is for reporting because we received the funding from the Greater Milwaukee Foundation. So we just trying to keep track of the actual people that we're reaching with this gun lock program. We only ask that you know if you're a male or female, and if a gun lock was issued, how many, how old you are, and your zip code. Then we allow you the opportunity to put a few comments. But I'm not going to hold the show up. I want to make sure Devin gets the opportunity to show you how this lock works because it's very important for our community. And yeah, Mr. Devin.
So lock is pretty simple. There's really nothing much to it. It comes with a set of keys and instructions as well, depending on what type of firearm you have. These will really help protect the youth in our communities. So you just put, and the kids at home who have easy access to a firearm, someone with ill intentions who has easy access to a firearm. Really that simple. Pop it back in there. Lock it. There you go. That's simple.
So if you need one of these locks, you can always stop by Westcare, Wisconsin. We're located at 335 West Wright Street. You can also go to the Kenneth Center on 36 and right off of Fond du Lac behind the police station. And I know Dep's Hall of Fame is one of the barbershops that has partnered with us, as well as the city of Milwaukee, to provide these gun locks for the community. So Dep's Hall of Fame, Westcare, Wisconsin, and make sure you check us out.